keep at least one line that you can hold her on the dock while I'm tying up. Lay this over your mid, over that mid cleat right there. Might have hit my other fender.
Yeah, it's gonna bang.
Well, usually it'd be blowing 100 miles an hour when you're trying to do something.
I know it.
What's that?
Usually be blowing.
The conditions are pretty nice.
Yeah, I mean, oh God, you should see some of the.
Yeah.
As I say, usually it's 100 mile an hour wind and it's
Going into 7 Seas can be really tough when the.
familiar.
I just did one the other day at Sea Love, you know, down there.
Rip down there too.
The current was just.
Thank you, John.
Hold on, we still got.
I'm not gonna.
Do me a favor, lay this one on the bow cleat.
All right.
Let's give it a shot.
All right, thanks, John. See you a bit.
Thanks, guys.
I'll go up and man the bow thruster for you.
Yep. Okay. Is your rudder straight?
Yes.
Okay, good. So for me, turning to starboard will be real easy. Turning to port will be hard.
Okay.
Just the way the leverage works.
Okay.
Obviously, I can't see that side, so if you see anything that concerns you, give me a yell. So what do you think, you got a clogged injector or something, or?
Very shitty maintenance. I had a guy replace the cutlass bearing, and when he replaced it, he had to pull out the shaft, and he didn't set the pin in the shaft, so the shaft was coming out. But I have in this boat, it's a V-drive boat, and so the shaft moved forward when it moved forward, it hit the prop. And
So what did the prop?
the traffic there. But so we thought we had it all negotiated out, but it was, I think the prop is damaged.
Looks like it's going into fuel. So have you had to go in here for an inspection or anything like that?
No, I use the boat enough that, you know,
We've been pulling a whole lot of sailboats out of here.
are you?
Yeah, be ready with the bow line. If you can, just give me some, when we get there, give me some approximations how close we are. What's that? Okay.
How you guys do your...
Morning. Sometimes it works out. I'm just going to pull over here. I've got to get you to sign something. boat could be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I was noticing that earlier.
All right. Well, if I don't see you again,
Thank
or
you.
you're going to come back to come back to Halifax.
Yeah, Karen said that she'd try to save me around the same spot. I like that spot. So. Except in the summer at the boat ramp, it's
Well, it's kind of a show, though, isn't it?
yeah, but you know what happens? The water gets so churned up and so full of particulate matter.
Yeah.
I mean, it clogged up my air conditioner
Really?
strainer within 3 days.
Wow.
So I'm like, I either have to be at the boat to clean it out, or I have to shut it off. And that's usually what I do is shut it
So,
off.
are you by yourself? You doing this alone? Or
Well,
you
I have some friends that are gonna, come along during the trip. Good people they're gonna hopscotch with me across Lake Okeechobee.
Yeah, we did that once. A friend of mine actually had an Albin fast trawler,
Yeah. Oh,
and he actually bought it. This was years ago. He bought it up on the Hudson River,
yeah.
and we took it down to. He actually lived in Pensacola, and I was working. I take vacation. It took about a month to do it. We would hop from one place to
Yeah,
another. It was
it's
fun.
fun.
But on here, if you watch YouTube, my YouTube channel is on.
Okay.
But if I put you up, I'll block you out.
Oh, so yeah. Don't ask me how much I got.
I won't.
Thanks.
I'll put that in the title.
Oh yeah.
I didn't.
I didn't ask.
Bye. Have a good trip.
All right.